All right, guys. Hey, this is Brian back here with Stokes & Company Restoration Business. So, earlier in the video, you saw we put the impeller in here and hooked this thing up, and it ran. It pumped water for just a little bit, and then the next time it wouldn't pump water. I even took it out into the lake, make sure it wasn't my earmuffs that were causing the problem. Still wouldn't pump water. I even came back and got on Amazon, bought me a new set of earmuffs. Here comes Tux. Still not. I'm like, man, we're getting no water flow, but we did have water flow. What is going on? So I went down to my local repair shop. The first time I've been to is called Service Marine down in Emory, Texas, near Lake Fork. Awesome job there, guys, helping me out. So there's there's a split here, and I didn't know this on my Amazon kit. It didn't tell me. I knew that there were two keys. I'll show you the two keys here. There's a white and a black. And there's a reason that there is a white and a black, because here we go right here. Install the thicker, the white one on the drive cam 1979 through 1988. We got a 1986 here, and we had installed the black on because the previous one on here was black, and I thought, okay, well, it was working, but then it quit, and it quit working because somebody did the same thing. Install the thinner black drive cam on the 89 and newer models. Your newer models are going to be the ones that, I don't know the number of splines on here, but it's going to have the fine splines, and it's not as deep in that cut right there. The older models are going to be the 4-spline ones right here. Sun's bright out here today, but we're just speaking hallelujah into the sun. It's gonna have the 4, and it's gonna be a deeper, so it's gonna need the thicker one, the white one. So I'm telling you this so you don't do this. There's a difference in the two keys. The white is for the older ones, the black is for the newer ones, and there's a difference because it'll slip on that key and it won't spin. At times it might, but majority of the time it's not. So I'm gonna get this thing installed. And like I said, this is a OE, this is a Johnson. This is an OE impeller kit. Let me look at the part number here for you. The first one was the Amazon, and it was actually this is actually the one from Amazon, and it was actually of decent quality, but that one piece of information can make a big difference. So this one's 5139 Johnson Evinrude, genuine parts, made in USA. So anyways, that one key piece, and follow my manual here. My manual is a little bit newer, and it didn't show the difference in the two. It just showed what it didn't have anything on that. This is a 94 model. So it was showing the newer one. So always, sometimes it's that key piece of information there that can make the difference between working and not working, just as we preach. Working and not working, eternal, heaven or hell. There's two, there's a choice. And we got to know which one is which, and we have to be educated. So just trying to educate you on this. Give me just a few minutes here, and we'll get right back on and see how this thing's pumping.